And we're already at video 6. DOM manipulation. DOM or Document Object Model manipulation is like the bridge that connects your JavaScript code to the HTML and CSS of your web page. It's how you make web pages dynamic and interactive. In this video, we'll explore how to select and modify HTML elements and how to respond to user actions through event handling. Section 1. Selecting and modifying HTML elements. Web pages are made of elements like paragraphs, images, links, etc. Through JavaScript, you can interact with these elements, changing their content, appearance, or behavior. Selecting elements. Imagine your web page as a virtual room with different pieces of furniture. Selecting an element is like picking a specific piece of furniture to work on. Here, document.querySelector is like saying, find the first H1 element in the room. The variable heading now refers to that element. Selecting elements is the first step to manipulate the content and appearance of a web page. Here's a brief hold for you to hit the pause button. Modifying elements. Once you've selected an element, you can change it. It's like painting a piece of furniture or changing its position in the room. We selected the H1 element earlier. Now we're changing its text to new heading text. It's like changing the label on a piece of furniture. Here's a brief hold for you to hit the pause button. This code changes the text color of the heading to red. Imagine it as repainting the label. Being able to select and modify elements provides you with a powerful tool to make web pages dynamic and responsive to user interaction. Here's a brief hold for you to hit the pause button. Section 2. Event handling. Events are actions performed by the user, like clicking, typing, or resizing a window. Handling these events means responding to them in a specific way. Responding to a click. Imagine setting up a bell that rings when someone touches a piece of furniture. That's similar to setting up a click event on an HTML element. We selected a button and set up an event listener for the click event. When clicked, an alert will appear saying, "Button was clicked." It's like the ringing bell. Click events are commonly used to trigger actions on web pages, such as opening menus, submitting forms, etc. Here's a brief hold for you to hit the pause button. Handling user input. You might want to respond to what users are typing, like giving suggestions when they search. We selected an input element and added a key-up event listener. As the user types, what they've typed so far will be logged to the console. It's like a virtual assistant taking notes as you speak. Here's a brief hold for you to hit the pause button. Responding to user input helps make web applications feel responsive and alive, adapting to user actions in real time. DOM manipulation is the art of controlling how a web page looks and behaves through JavaScript. From selecting and modifying elements to handling user interactions, these concepts allow developers to create engaging, dynamic, and interactive web experiences. This knowledge isn't just foundational, it's transformative. With DOM manipulation, you're no longer just writing code, you're crafting experiences, shaping how users interact with and experience the web. Whether you're building a simple website or a complex web application, understanding DOM manipulation is key to turning static pages into lively, engaging digital environments.